Good morning everyone, welcome back, hope you're good. We're all out today because it's Emma's day off today. She doesn't have to be at work, thankfully. Hi George. Found some nice things in the harbour today. Wow, look out for a repair job. Proper repair job. Big hole. That's what's under there though, it's actually built on a Dutch barge. That's a Golden Hind in Brixham's inner harbour. Oh, there's this. Still in Brixham Harbour. The light up Santa.
That's talking to the seagull. A bit way